And my partner and I worked on this, Emery, who's sitting there, worked on this project, and this was the first thing actually we worked on together. And I'm just so, it saddens me to see these pictures, but at the same time I feel so proud because they're so wonderful. I love them. This is one of the bathrooms, the master bath, which was, there were 2 bathrooms, and we just combined them with a shower. Her tub. We chose all the marbles and everything in that part of the world, and there is a difference on the things that you find there and the things that you find here. So it's very interesting. This was a ZZ tile, sunflower, and Shimali glass sink that we did for the powder room with the intention of putting a mirror on that as well. Now this is our latest completed project. It's the favorite. The stair is just an amazing stair that my partner Emery designed. The floor is incredible because it's all different kinds of marble and in very large geometric patterns. They're 4'6" squares, and then we created diverse patterns. You see them around. That is a throne, a Tibetan throne. The sitting areas and the back of all the lounge chairs have ethnic fabric on them. Same apartment, looking from the mezzanine down with the 2-story living room, and the curtains on the windows, like right there, are plastered. They're plaster curtains, and I've never done that before, but it looks so amazing. It was incredible. Here you are, you see the same sitting area. The rugs are by, again, by my friend Joe Carini. The dining room, the chairs, we cut out ethnic fabrics and created those patterns on the back of the chairs. And we gave those chairs, their chairs were an added to their capes on. You can see the 2 Chagall paintings on the left side, and the fiber optic lighting on the amoeba on the ceiling. And then you can see on the other side, looking towards the living room, there's a screen of what are they called? Rusravia. Egyptian bread panels, really, that's what they are, like they use in harems and all that. This is the hallway going to the back, and we had all of these beams and things that created obstacles that were really a problem. This is a hard apartment. So we created this ribbon that goes across the whole hallway like a sculpture, and then we captured the spaces between the beams by going up and down. And it's one of the most amazing things. This is the family room with the daughter of all the other amoebas, smallest one, and a sofa that we designed to make it as simple as possible for the client to have their laptop and work there as well. This is the mezzanine upstairs, and the railing is beautiful wood. And then we found this incredible vines in a shop in Soho, which I imagine are the vines that Tarzan's went on or something, because they're very powerful, they're very strong, they're very beautiful. And they're very sculptural, and we decided to use them for newel post and division. Master bedroom. We saw before the fireplace that looked like fabric. Well, here this is the same people, and here we did that. Can you go back to the So the bed we designed also with the fabrics, and I've never seen beds like that. We did a couple of beds like that for this apartment. Totally different. And the ceiling has to wave again for the same reason, all the beams. So necessity created something very beautiful. The carpet is from Edward Fields, and I think it's my favorite carpet I've ever seen. I love it. Botero World. Now this is really exciting. This is the new thing that we're doing. Botero World is a showroom that we're starting, small showroom that we're starting to open up in our office. We have the space on 58th Street between 3rd and 2nd. And it's basically doing furniture that I designed in the past, furniture that Emery designs, things from people who's worked with respect and love, and just go into that. So if we could go to some of the products, that's the logo, by the way. This is the Chiku table, which is a table that I designed, and we're going to be doing again in different sizes, different colors, and it's really just blocks, cylinders, diamonds, and squares that are put through metal, and then the top. The bottom table is called the wave table. I designed it for another project, and we're going to be producing that as well. The wave lamp, it's a lot of fun because I always have fun with this lamp because when you play with it and you move it, it makes noise. So I always tell my friends, buy it because it will let you know if there's an earthquake. Those chairs we have done very well with, and we are going to produce them as well. The pyramid desk, which is the desk that was one of my first pieces of furniture. It's been in design books, and it's really lovely. Here are those chairs being used, as you can see. And this is a console that we designed, I designed, it's called the Arc console. And the Chiku table up above. This is furniture that was designed for projects, and there's a lot more. Because can you hold on this? I really believe that I don't want my projects to look like what everybody else is doing. Not that there's anything wrong with what everybody else is doing. I always want to be different. I always want to break the envelope. I want to push a little bit, or a lot, if I can. What we always do is that in every project we end up designing furniture. And this is some of the things. The console and the angle mirror was done for a client. The funny little mirror that looks like a robot on the right was done as a makeup mirror for another client. The lamp below was done for that sofa that I showed you before that has the bookcase behind. That's where it goes. This is a system, a rack system that we designed and we're developing that we can use for different things in bathrooms, in furniture, in closets, and we're very excited about it. This is that piece of furniture that I showed you before that we designed for the AOL showcase with the marquetry. That little bench is very special. I've never seen one quite like it. It's part of what we're doing. And that's it. Thank you.
And now, awards from the president of the SCANY Society, Ms. Adriana La Rocha.
Samuel, thank you very much for the lecture. I have some words to tell you guys about. I want to tell you about. I've been here since 10 years ago. I was in Colombia, and I was watching a group, an organization that I belong to now, and it was created in that moment. And thank you. Okay, a group of architects that create a small organization and help each other to promote the Colombian professionals in architecture and design in New York City and also United States. And in that moment in Colombia, I saw an opportunity not only for me, for everybody. So when I came here, I met the organization and I fell in love with the organization. Now, here I am. And now 10 years later, the organization has more than 120 members and is still growing. And the strengthening, linking with the American networking, and right now also as a Colombian architect, I'm very proud of the professionals, and as we, as organization, consider that an excellent designer as Samuel Botero should be honored by us, and SCANY is proud to present this recognition to you.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm getting warning, the glass may break.
I also want to thank Patinera for her hard work on the coordination on this event. In the name of the board of SCANY, I also want to thank you, everybody here tonight, and the sponsors, and my friends that volunteer in this project, and thank you for being here this night. Thank you very much.